Hi traders, welcome to Kajani Trade and Train. Today in this video, we are reviewing Bank Nifty chart dated 9th June 2021. First of all, we will see what are all the ingredients we have to look into to decide whether it is a sideways market or a trending market. These are all the ingredients is required for the decision of whether it is a sideways market or a trending market. The first of all is the CPR. This is today's CPR, Central Pivot Range. This is today's CPR. Here we can see the yesterday's CPR, and this is today's resistance trend line, today's resistance line, today's support line S1 and R1. This is previous day high. This one is previous day high. This one is previous day low. Also, we are looking to MACD and RSI indicators. These are all the things we are taken for the today's market decision. So first of all, we will see the CPR. Today's CPR, if you look into this one, this is little wide CPR. This wide CPR gives an indication that today market is sideways market. This wide CPR indicates that today's market is sideways market. The second one is you look into 2 days relationship of CPR. This is today's CPR. This is yesterday's CPR. Today's CPR is below the yesterday's CPR. This is today's CPR is below the yesterday's CPR. We can take a arrow like this. This one is below the yesterday's CPR. It says that the market is bearish. So the first wide CPR says it is a sideways market. The 2 days relationship says that it is a bearish market. We can take today's market as sideways to bearish. Sideways to bearish. The third one we can look into opening of 5 minutes candle. This is opening of 5 minutes candle. This is opening of 5 minutes candle. It is a red candle opened below the CPR and S1. Below the CPR and S1, it says that sideways to bearish market. After opening these two red candles, the second red candles breaks the previous day low, but it has not broken the S1. Support 1 has not been broken. It also indicates that today's market is sideways market. Just to see the opening candles of 5 minutes opening candles. Market gave an opportunity to bears to go for sideways, but bears are 1 or 2 candles opened and left the market. Then bulls came into the picture. Bulls take the strong steps, and 2 candles bulls has been formed. Then bulls also has become weak and it forms the sideways market. From here to here the market is sideways. I closed my trade at about 45. After observing this moving averages, all the three moving averages, 20 moving average, 50 moving average and 200 moving average, they are coming close to each other. I indicated that some big move will happen after this one. So I closed my trade at about 12:45. This screenshot I have taken up to 12:45 dated 9/6/21. If you want to look into full chart, you can go back and check the Bank Nifty chart. So it says that today's market is sideways market. When market is sideways, what is my view? My view is non-directional view. My view is non-directional view. When my view is non-directional, what kind of a trade setup I have to make? I have to either go for straddle or we can go for the strangle. For today's, I made straddle. I made a straddle Bank Nifty payoff chart dated 9/6/2021. This is my today's trade setup. Short straddle. I sold straddle at 35,200 and 35,300. This is the payoff diagram of short straddle. Thank you. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.